Alright, we have here a Lenovo 100S model, and I'll show you how you can disassemble the screen if you need to. So turn the computer off, hold the power button. Okay, so this model, there's a couple of screws there which are hard to get to, which may require the screen to be removed from the motherboard, but I'm going to try and do it without doing that, as it is time consuming. So, and this does not have a removable battery, so we're going to take a little risk. Okay, so first thing we want to do, remove the screw cover here. One, and another one on the other side. I'm going to try and get away with something like this. Yep, I got away. Okay, so I was able to remove one of the screw. Let's try removing the other one. Yep, that's good. Now, so this should be a simple process of pulling it apart. Looks like a 14-inch, 14.1. One of the screw here is missing. That's interesting. This is a glossy model. Not my favorite. And there is a little clip you lift up and then gently push it out. So this is a 14-inch model made by AU Optronics. There are many compatible models that you can use.